YouTube, what is y'all doing? Nah, I'm just playing. What's up, y'all? Today, disregard all that junk in the background. We're gonna be installing these on the Lexus today. Show y'all how to get that done. I know I ain't made a video in a minute, but we'll get into all of that. But yeah, without too much going on, we finna go and install these and see what they look like on the car. I'm gonna have to move this out of the garage though, so I can have a little bit more working room. Probably sit it over there. But yeah, it look alright. Pause. Probably get a photo. Before and after. It look alright. We're gonna get into it though. Alright, y'all, so I am in here kind of crooked. I can actually drive though. Don't judge me. Alright, what's the first thing we need to do? I think we need to take the bumper off, cause that's how you get the old headlights off. So we gonna do that. That's what we gonna do. That we gonna do. That we gonna do. Alright guys, we got the front end completely disassembled. Alright. So that worked. I'm kicking screws around. That worked. So what we gotta do next is these plastic brackets on the bottom of these headlights. They gotta come off of there and go on those. Alright y'all, I had to take a break from the camera and get these put in. Kinda hard to do it with one hand. I gotta go to Walmart. Probably AutoZone, get a couple quick things. Need some electrical tape. The fitment pretty good. It fits better on the other side. This side was being kind of funny. I had to play with it a little bit. But for the most part, it's coming together.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so I know I didn't finish this video, so this is my exit right here. I got the lights on the car. So I got it all. I got it all put in there. It's all, everything working good, lighting up like it's supposed to. Yeah, everything working good and lighting up like it's supposed to. I just thought I'd finish this video right now. I'm out here. But she looking good. I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, follow, and subscribe.